people, why am I at the park? Because the sun's out. It's currently, I don't even know what time. It's 8:20 in the PM. And Jamari wanna go on the seesaw. Hear him. Hear him. Jamari said, come on, Kanisa. You know, say Kanisa, he said, Kaisa. Come on, Kaisa. Come on, come on.
Come on, Kamsa.
I'm back home and it was a nice evening. Sun not gone down yet. Still, the Christmas decoration still up, yes. Anyways, I'm gonna rest my nerves now. Go outside and touch some grass. Hug a tree. Just enjoy God's creation and enjoy your family. Because you don't know when it lasts, so go and enjoy it now. Anything can happen, like you can, like look how COVID did go on and now we never did expect them, we just stuck in our house. Go outside and enjoy your family, enjoy your time, and enjoy God's creations. Okay, bye.